January 13th, 2019. Alright guys, so check this out. This guy's got this spot with a giant chemtrail going through it, and then these high frequency bands being pulsed through it at the same time. And it's the strangest sprinkling that I've ever seen. I mean, really, I've seen it sprinkle before, but not like this. It's like it's downpouring at the same time as sprinkling. I don't know how to explain it. So it's like this really high-pitched buzzing sound, I guess you could call it, in the background. And I don't know, it's just really weird. I think you can really pick it up on the camera. I'm pretty sure it's too quiet for that, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the sky.